Hi, it's Richard here from Glowing Embers, and today we're going to be answering the question, why isn't my stove heating up my room? And it's actually a fairly common question, and there's a couple of potential answers. The first could be that you haven't got a big enough stove for your room. It's unlikely, but you can check that out. We've got a heat output calculator on our website, which, if you put in the dimensions of your room, tells you the size stove that you need to heat it. If it's not that, then it could be that you're burning wet wood, poor quality wood. It doesn't give out a lot of heat. Not only does it damage your flue and your stove because it creates a lot of tar, but the heat from the flames really goes to burning off the water. So there's not a lot of point in burning wet wood. But probably the most common cause is installing your stove too far into your chimney. Like this one here. So this is actually mine. It's a Woolly Mammoth stove. It's a Woolly Mammoth Mark I stove. We've got the latest model is Mark II, but this is the original model. And I knew this was going to be too far back, and I've slightly remedied it by having two heat fans on the top of it, which blows the heat out. But without those, the heat goes straight up and gets lost out of your chimney. So heat rises. Wood burning stoves generally aren't convection stoves, which means they don't move the air around, they just radiate out heat. And that can easily get lost up your chimney if the stove is too far into your chimney breast. You really want your stove sticking out a little bit to get the heat into the room, and you would be surprised the amount of difference that can make. All you need to do is really put a 90-degree bend or a couple of 45s on the back of your stove just to push it out a bit further, and that can make all the difference in itself. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.